Put your feet up, Jalen. Good job. Look at you. Okay. Watch out.
Try this way, baby.
Come toward Mama.
Try this way. This way. Daddy doesn't know how to ride it. Show Daddy how to do it. Show Daddy.
Will's turn.
My turn.
You want to ride the fire truck?
No.
What do you want to ride? What? Come here. What's wrong? You okay? Look at Will. Yay! Will, you got a hat on? Where's your hat? Hat. Hat. Yay! You want Daddy to push you?
No.
Hat.
Show how fast you can
Do you
go.
have Jalen's pink hat?
You ready?
You got on your white hat.